Welcome to the Sonar Quick Start Guide. Before we begin, ensure that in addition to the Sonar 3D-15 product box, you have a computer, Ethernet cable, a power supply, and a power connector available. Unbox the Sonar 3D-15. Place the sonar in water, for example, a bucket or tank like shown here. Avoid getting water on the I/O board. Next, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your computer's Ethernet port and the other into the I/O board. Connect your power supply to the I/O board. Use a power supply capable of delivering 60 watts, surge, at 10 to 30 volts. We recommend between 20 and 25 volts. Now turn on your power supply and wait for the sonar to boot. This can take up to 30 seconds. When the green light on the front is lit, it's ready to use. Next, we'll jump over to the computer and assign your computer an IP address and net mask as shown here. Please note though, configuring network varies between operating systems and versions. Feel free to contact WaterLinked for support. Lastly, open up your web browser and enter the Sonar's fallback IP address 192.168.194.96. You should now be able to see and use the Sonar interface. For more information and advanced setup of your sonar, please see the Sonar 3D-15 documentation link in the description.